Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with running boards down below, mud flaps on the front and rear, as well as the FX4 off-road package, giving you off-road suspension and skid plates. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for 3 with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge. And in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle here with a 12-volt power outlet. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 29,078 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, as well as your controls for your center info screen where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. And then you have your truck info with your tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, and maintenance monitor. You have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and a heated steering wheel, Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and above that you have your traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, and you have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, as well as heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller, and on the right you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12 volts with a USB and USB-C, as well as a little shelf there. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another compartment underneath for even more storage. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.